Welcome to Ampika's Aesthetics. This course you will learn how to do ombre powder brows, SPMU, which is your semi-permanent makeup techniques. You will also learn how to map out the brow, and we will provide live models where you can obtain experience gaining accreditation in microblading and SPMU brows.